US-based smartphone brand Razer has introduced its latest smartphone, the Razer Phone 2. The device has been designed for mobile gamers who want more than just a casual gaming experience. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. Users can pre-order the Razer Phone 2 from $800 in the US, which is equivalent to 59,000 rupees in India, but not yet available here. The premium version of the phone costs $900 or 66,000 Indian rupees equivalently. It comes in a satin finish and will be made available at a later date. The new smartphone comes in a full aluminium body and sports a 5.7-inch IGZO LCD panel with QHD resolution, a glass back, and comes equipped with wireless charging. Razer Chroma RGB logo and IP67 water resistance up to 1 meter for 30 minutes are also present. The Razer Phone 2 comes with a special 120Hz Ultra Motion display with a variable refresh rate of up to 120Hz. The company claims that this time the screen is brighter and the gamers won't have to face any lag or stuttering. The phone supports HDR and DCI-P3 white color gamut aimed at improving gaming visuals. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, which is not surprising, the phone comes with a custom vapor chamber cooling system as well. There are dual front-facing stereo speakers that feature Dolby Atmos and a 24-bit USB-C DAC. Incidentally, there is no 3.5 headphone jack, and this should be no surprise, coming the trend nowadays. The chipset is backed by 8GB of RAM and 64GB of high-speed UFS storage, and there's the provision for microSD card slot for expansion as well. A 4000 mAh battery comes packed under the hood and is equipped with Quick Charge 4 Plus and fast Qi charging up to 15 watts. The phone runs near stock Android 8.1 Oreo, but the company has promised an OS upgrade really soon. For imaging duties, the phone has been equipped with dual cameras with image stabilization technology, with the primary sensor being a 12 megapixel with dual pixel autofocus and optical image stabilization or OIS, and comes with a great lens with f/1.75 aperture, while the secondary camera is also a 12 megapixel one with a 2x telephoto lens at a lower aperture of f/2.6, which is to be the case. So that was it for the specifications part, and for the verdict, it really depends on the user. The device is really very high end, and by the price tag we can see it competes with flagships but falls just below the top end iPhone models. If you are really not into iOS and iPhones, then this would be a great choice for complete and hassle-free gaming experience, but that is for enthusiasts only, as spending $1,000 on just a phone doesn't usually make sense for most, so this can be a really great device if someone is really dedicated to get one, and we see no reason not to recommend it in any way. But for the actual performance, we still have to wait for reviews and actual user experience. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.